Right guys, just thought I'd update you what's going on. As you know, I've been away at Weatherby. I need to stop saying I'll come back today because I was supposed to go in Crown Court tomorrow, as you're probably well aware. Now I've got back home and phoned the solicitor to find out what time it is I've got to be in court and what courtroom it is. I spoke to the owner of the law firm. He's advised the reason why I want to represent myself and to find out what time it was I'm due to appear in court today. Because as you're probably well aware, I've posted this on a different couple of different Facebook pages. Got quite a bit of support. There's people travelling from wide and far. Got mate Jamie Barnes, Botbalot. He's going through his own shit at the moment with the justice system. They're not giving him no answers, which is bang out of order. Good support of Mick Bown t-shirts. I don't know if that's going to come. It's looking back to front on my screen there. Propaganda. Common law enforcement t-shirt, the blue one you might have seen. Cheers Mick. He was coming down tomorrow. Will Pate, he was coming down. Kent Freedom Movement. I posted some stuff on there. Some people coming down from there. Maidstone Memories. Dave Witcher, trusted friend, good pal, very knowledgeable. You all know Dave. Cole Grant, Campaign for Truth and Justice, who's involved. Highly respect that man, and he's got a lot of information that can bring the whole system down. But I won't go too much into that as at the present moment. A lot of friends and support from all the different groups. From Kent and all over the country. You know who you are. So yeah, getting back to this court date. So they've told me it's cancelled. They've cancelled it. The judge has cancelled it. Apparently the solicitor has only just he wrote to him last week, and the judge has only just received it today to state that I want to represent myself. And for that reason he's cancelled. Cancel or postpone the pre-trial review. So a pre-trial review, that's what it's supposed to be tomorrow, which I was going to be sacking the judge. I wish. I might as well sack him. He's fucking useless. No, he's honourable. He's just doing the job, just like the rest of them. No, sacking the solicitor because I can represent myself. Now, I don't know what reason why they were postponing that. A pre-trial review is to get that ironed out. Now, the solicitor said that they was going to set another date. Now, my court trial is in 12 days' time, 19th of May. Now, why would you cancel a pre-trial review when the court system is fully aware that I no longer wish to be spending money out the public purse, taxpayers' money, your money? I want to represent myself, which I've got a right to do. Why would they stop a mention hearing which could help move the case forward quicker to save all the money from the judge, the prosecutor, the clerk of the court? Why have they changed the date? Don't know, don't understand. Are they going to change the date, or are they just going to let it go ahead on the 19th of May and let me turn up at court then on the 19th of May and then attempt to sack my legal representation on that day? Is it a possibility that the judge could overrule that and then just run the trial, so I'm still under the jurisdiction of the legal system? I don't know. That's what I would imagine would, or is a possibility that could happen. Yeah, your thoughts and views on that? I had quite a few comments from Maidstone Memories. I don't know who the woman is that says about refer it to the Ricky Lake show. He's sitting in the public gallery. Go Toby, go Toby. But no, good on you. That's what this is all about. It's about making sure that we get control back over our justice system, because there's been too many injustice being done underneath our very noses. And the way I see it is the judge, the clerk, the prosecutor, the barrister. It's their courtroom. It's their court. And what do you do at court? Well, you play games, don't you, in the court? and that's what they seem to be doing. But all the time the public gallery is empty, they can pretty much get away with whatever they like, because all they've got in there is a jury of 12 people, law-abiding citizens that don't know anything about, because the only reason to be going to be in a jury service is if you've not got criminal record, so you're squeaky clean and you haven't got no marks against you. So if you imagine a courtroom, Crown Court, you've got the judge, you've got the clerk of the court, you've got the prosecutor, you've got the barrister, you've got the defendant sitting in the dock, and you've got the jailer. Now, you've got 12 members of the jury sitting there, and that's pretty much on a day-to-day basis. The defendant might have a couple of witnesses in the gallery, in the public gallery, and that's pretty much it. So the court is pretty much run by the court system. They guide, they direct, they instruct the jury. It's a pretty much closed shop. Now, if you know the law and you know the justice system, and you've witnessed it firsthand, which I've done on many occasions, there's a lot of injustice gets done in there. They actually go, bearing in mind the judge swears his oath, his attestation to serve and protect the Queen, the country and the people, and provide remedies. But as we all know, or as a majority of us know that are not asleep or cheap, well, no, this isn't the case. And this is why they don't want a public gallery with general members of the public, because they can witness firsthand any injustice or anything that they don't feel that's right or that's unfair. They can actually cause problems in the courtroom, which I personally have done. Went to a court hearing for Cole Grant, runs Campaign for Truth and Justice at Snaresbrook Crown Court. We will sit in the public gallery, and because Cole represents himself, along with the other two guys, me and Jamie Botblock was up there together. Went up there to go and witness this, to be a member of the public sitting in the gallery. Now the judge actually threw us out of the courtroom, and said a public gallery wanted to address the court and the trial or the hearing at the appeal court without anyone to witness this. Now, why would you do that? If they're acting fair and according to the law, and they're not doing anything untoward, then why would you turn out the public gallery? Why would you refuse to have anyone in the public gallery to witness a court case or a hearing? Very strange, but that was a strange day. Also went up to go and see Si Spaniard. Me and Jay went up there to go and see him, and that was another case. Si's gone through the system. I think it was about the third time he's been there to this particular case, and they requested that no one was allowed in the court. It was only Simon Spaniard that could actually go in there. So we all signed our witness statements, thumbprint, signed it, sitting in the waiting room downstairs while he went in, and he won it. He won his case, and fair play to you. So you've opened up a bit of a pioneer in that direction, that new motion that you've created. Well, not created, just discovered. But no, well done. But there was another case where they didn't want anyone in the public gallery. Now, I've posted on Maidstone Memories. I don't know if any of you are aware of that. Maidstone Memories are what people post on there to say of old times, old pictures of Maidstone, or things that are going on or gone on in Maidstone. Now, I posted on there a little while ago about this, about the video when I sacked the solicitor. Also asking if anyone wanted to pop down tomorrow on the 8th of May to come and witness, just sit in the public gallery, not to actually get involved, just to actually make sure that I was going to get a fair and just chance to actually put my case across. And there was quite a few comments on there from people saying that you shouldn't actually represent yourself, you're going to end up getting screwed, you're going to come out worse off than what you would do if you had representation. And that's a fair comment. Everyone's entitled to their opinion. And that was what the invitation was for, purely to invite people down to just have a day out. It's a free court, it's your court, it's a public building, we pay for this. These are our trusted public servants. We pay their wages. And to go and sit in a public gallery, to go and watch what goes on. Some of you probably never been to court, some of you never actually witnessed anything. I think we should be doing it more often. Go and police in these courts to make sure that the justice system is being adhered to as it should be. But yeah, so I apologise to all the people that said they was going to come down tomorrow, and maybe taking days off work. I know a few people have. Will Payton organised it. So people were taking time up, getting up extra early from a night shift, and travelling wide and far. And unfortunately, it's not going to happen tomorrow. And I'm disappointed. I'm very disappointed about it. I'm gutted, in fact. I've driven all the way back down from Wetherby today to attend this tomorrow. Now, the solicitor advised me that there might be another mention here, another date that's going to be set, possibly this Friday. But I can't make Friday. I'm not going to be here this Friday. I'm here for today. This date tomorrow was set over 2 months ago, and now all of a sudden they've just changed it at a drop of a hat. So I've wasted my time, my money, my energy, my effort, my preparation to come down, my organisation to actually come down tomorrow to go and address the issues, and they can just drop it just like that. Just not even 24 hours before I was due to appear. And now all of a sudden they say that they're going to set another date. Could be as quick as Friday. Now, how much notice is that? What, 2 days? 2 days notice. Well, I'm supposed to drop everything and just jump when they say, or I'll say how high when they say jump. No, it's not going to happen. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going down to the court tomorrow. I'm going to be writing out a notice to the court to let them know that I'm no longer requiring any legal representation, that I am representing myself, presenting myself, not representing myself, presenting myself by means of special appearance, and for a date to be set that's mutually agreeable on both parties, mine and theirs. Just dictate to me, tell me when I've got to attend, when I've got to go there. I was ready to attend tomorrow. They've cancelled it. So therefore, we need to agree on a date or when I'm going to go and attend. So I'm going to pop down there tomorrow. I'm going to be dropping a letter in on notice, notifying the court exactly what's going on. And I think I might go and pop into Judge Statman's courtroom. Go and sit in the back of the public gallery, just go and observe. And if I find an opportunity where I can actually approach or speak to him, to ask him as to his reasons and justifications why he's done what he's done today, I'm going to be putting that to him. So I'll keep you posted. And just see how it pans out. But no, thanks again. Thanks everyone for showing that, giving me the time to post the comments and show they're willing to come and attend and assist. It's going to be interesting, folks. This year is definitely going to be opening up to a whole new change, I believe. There's change in the air, changes in the air, and we are the change. We're going to make it happen. I'm going to make it happen. Good night, folks. Cheers, guys.